almost a year already and we are not here. Last year I want to be here, but you have to press this.
Yeah, that's a charger.
Guys,
And the other thing is a case for it.
Hello. Oh my lord, help me.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Hi guys, good morning. I was awake at 12 o'clock and I really thought I am going back to the other house. At time check now, it's 6:16 in the morning. 12 o'clock, mata na ako. And then I just in my phone replying all the comments, and I did it intentionally that I can, get up and go run, go driving back home. But, and then I was like, I went back to sleep. I decided, no, I'm not going back. I still have to film one thing, and then I go back today. I don't know guys, my husband said my sister-in-law will be in the house. So my mother-in-law will be with somebody, and yeah, so I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna talk to my husband later. Pero hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos guys, because I've been like, my body has been like, I've been twisting my body all over the place over here. Like I turn over here facing, I face down, like I don't know. But some people keep asking me what editing software I use. I used Final Cut Pro, and yeah, Tammy gave that to me on my birthday last year. I was using iMovie before because I have a MacBook Pro, and so I've been using, which is, it's not, I told him it's not really it's not hard. It's like, I'm lucky that I have iMovie editing software. When he gave it to me, he opened my laptop and then buy it, and he said, that's your birthday gift, use it, it's really easy, it's really nice using the Final Cut Pro. And he is right. I've been loving Final Cut Pro, and I even forgot how to use iMovie now. iMovie on the phone, it's easy, but in the Mac it's kind of different thing. So so there's a lot of chick chuck in iMovie. There's a lot of like converting stuff like that. Good morning! Yeah, it's just like 7:03 in the morning. Ino-on ko na lang yung coffee maker. At saka I'm just going to make some pancake. I like this one guys. This is the it's a filter. It's a filter session guys. It's right here. This is the filter. This is the filter. 3 filter and 4 actually. 4 filters. The water will filter 4 times, and after filtering the water, it come up in this one here. Bakit may cellophane here, huh? Before the water come up here, guys, before the water filter 4 times, it's already filtered ultraviolet. I don't know. There's another big filter that Tammy and I put downstairs. Mostly he did, and it's already clean and stuff like that. But filterize again 4 times, and then here, and then after that, right here, and that's the cleanest water. I saw the Nutella in our cabinets. This one it's already half, until I think it's until here, and this one is still full. I'm gonna bring it to the other house because I'm going to make a Nutella brownies. Yeah, I'm gonna make Nutella. I get this for making Nutella brownies, and everyone love my Nutella brownies, and I love it too. So, well, I just found that recipe on YouTube, and I just keep making it. I can make a tutorial with that, even though it's already in YouTube. I can make another one. Yeah, and right now I am talking to Jovelita. Hi, Jovelita. Hi, sis. Thank you for watching. Where I'm gonna put you, Flow, oy. Okay, ilagay kita dito sa gitna, sa gilid ng bintuan ng patungo sa kinabukasan. So I should have put that in there. Sammy, put this in here. Put under it
for now because I pour a lot of water because I'm worried if ever, you know, if I go back to the other house, I intend to put more water. Nilagay ko lang ito dito. Hindi ko tinago muna itong drone na binigay sa akin ni Tammy that I will remember. I will probably bring this. Hello guys, magre-ready lang ako guys kasi mag-film ako nito. Hi guys, namiminhod yung tiil ko guys. It's kinda numb. The TV is off. How did that become off? I just reviewed the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. It's really nice guys. The color of this lipstick is lipstick. I never have this color. And so let's turn the TV on. Nag-ano lang ako, nagre-reply sa mga messages, yung at saka mga PM yung mga personal messages. At saka I just wanna say thank you to Marilando Sanchez. Hi sis, and also to Asia Nalam Julius and Julius. That's her name, Julius Nalam Julius Myungson. That's her Facebook account. And also guys, there is one thing that I'm going to say. People are very curious. We get the house, you know. I won't blame you when you are curious. We get the house, yes, last year. And it's almost a year already and we are not here. Yes guys, I want to be here yesterday. Last year I want to be here, but the process of moving is not really easy. Tammy is working, he's busy, and there's a lot of crap in the old house to be transferred, and I don't want any crops to be here in my house because in the end, believe me, I'm going to throw it out. I'm not shutting my mouth about that because I want my house to be organized and clean and ready. If there's people come and show up quick, I don't want rushing to be clean up. So but about moving in spring, I want to be here. I'm gonna bring my kids, you know who is my kids. I want to bring them in here, and then because I want to be here and clean up the garden, I'm gonna go clearing up and cutting some stuff, that because now I have a car, I can come here and go back and forth. Okay guys, I'm going home and I wasn't able to put you guys in the screen because in the dashboard I can't put you because the dashboard mount, the one that I put you in, it's keep feeling off. Like I don't want to risk that. I don't want to lose my camera and broke it, so that's why I just decided to not to put you there, and I will see you in the other side. I will see you in the house. I use this mount and I put water in the thing because you know you can't, the mount won't work if you don't put water. I put water here, there's mount, so I put this in the dashboard, not the dashboard, in the glass, because it won't work in the dashboard, so it doesn't work. There, I have my annoying sister already here.
There you go. I was gearing up while we were waiting for you because we were...
Hi, baby. I heard you came out again, huh? Why?
Yes. She has to move. You know what Tommy's going to do? He's going to open up the garage doors for us.
There?
Yeah.
Did you tell him about his room?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. Hi, guys. I get home, and the first thing I do is cleaning up.
But anyhow.
Here.
So,
I get home safe, guys.
I just wanted a cigarette. That's what
I'm just monitoring.
Oh my god, Elvis Presley! I found Tommy's Elvis Presley thing. Oh my god, this is squish, huh?
Collectible stuff.
But it's squish already.
Yeah, that's fine.
He collect Elvis, guys, but look what happened to Elvis. Poor Elvis. That's garbage, huh? What is that? You need it.
This is the repair piece for the pump downstairs.
Oh.
The pump downstairs.
But this is old. You got that long time ago.
Yeah, but I got the pump downstairs and it needs a new thing on it, and there it is.
I have my bike right there, guys. It's new, never used, right, Han?
Never ever used, not once.
Not once?
Not one time did you ever ride it.
Yeah, my sister-in-law and I, guys, and Tommy trying to That is need to donation. Oh, Tommy got this long time ago, 5 years ago. And now they're all hard. We don't need those things, hon.
Yes, we're taking them.
Oh, when we have a party in our backyard.
We have lots of them. Here. There. I told you I had lots of these. Let's do lounge chair.
Oh, you have that then? So why are you buying another one?
I didn't know. I couldn't find it.
Oh, you can't find. Look, you know it's in here.
Oh yeah, I had it, huh?
So? Oh no, look at that, huh?
That's only out. That's only a bag.
What in that then? Are you sure this is yours? Oh guys, can I just show you something? Tommy first ever telephone.
Not my first one.
Yeah, but look, how can you take this off?
I mean, that's a charger.
Ah, you have to press this.
Yeah, that's a charger.
Guys,
And
look
the other
at
thing
guys.
is a case for it.
Hello. 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 Oh my god.
Collectible too.
Old telephone, guys. Holy cow. Can you imagine? Okay, please.
Your tire's flat.
Huh?
Tires are flat.
We know that. Screwdriver, guys. It's really low. Where is? I'm looking for my car keys. My sister-in-law want to put something on my car. I see that butt.
Like my butt?
Okay. Look guys, we have a lot of tons. Oh my lord, help me. Okay, so which one I'm gonna put in my car?
Garbage. The stuff that you find most useful. I know you got of course.
No,
I'll
that
look
makes
at
sense, of course. It looks good.
Okay, then I'm gonna do it then.
Special.
I'm going to close this window, guys, because we're so overrated. Overrated. Overshow to the neighbor. So, Tom is here. We're done outside for now.
Let me see your freaking phone while you're there.
Which phone? Okay, here. This is my baby. I see him is working tomorrow. I love him so much, guys. You know that? I love him so much. Now he's checking my phone. My phone, I can't receive any messages. So, what happened?
I don't know. You got crap running on this thing.
What did you do?
I didn't do nothing. I just start closing stuff
What? I don't even hear that music.
because it's on that web page or something.
Allah, what is that, huh?
I have no idea. It's something you got running.
I never run anything in that phone.
Well, something's running. I can't even see what the hell is running. Why is there no task? It's not showing me any task running. No. Power is off.
Baby, where's my cell phone? I need a time for my... This is not mine.
I think it goes for a phone.
No,
Everybody said I had two of those.
this is mom.
Oh, hers is not a Samsung phone.
Hi guys. Epic, it's not Epic.
Samsung Epic.
No, that's not it. It's Samsung Galaxy S. No number, it's no Epic.
That's the Epic.
Try it first. Hi guys, I'm just gonna take my makeup off and we're gonna go to bed.
Yep.
Is that it?
Same size phone.
Yeah. And Hubs is with Daddy already. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. I will see you tomorrow guys. Bukas na tayo. Kita-kits guys. Bye! Ang lubot bilok. May kigwa ba yun? Ay, yung kigwa. Ay, magkakain muna ako guys bago maghiskot ng kigwa ko.